COVID-19 updates from India. The number of COVID-19 cases in India has now crossed the grim 3 million mark. According to the latest data released by the Indian Health Ministry, India has recorded more than 69,000 cases in the last 24 hours alone. The graph on your screens now shows you the country's trajectory in the last 10 days or so. More than 912 people have lost their lives in India in the last 24 hours because of COVID-19. And for a better understanding, let us compare India's COVID-19 trajectory with other countries, that is, the two other worst-hit countries from this outbreak. The data on your screens shows you the rise of India's cases from 1 million to 3 million. India took 138 days to reach the 1 million mark in cases, which was the longest when compared to Brazil and the US, which are the other two countries gravely impacted by COVID-19. Brazil took 114 days, while the US, which is currently the worst affected, took 98 days to hit the million mark. From this point on, the situation started to worsen for India. India took only 21 days to reach 2 million cases from the 1 million mark. This was the shortest time in comparison to the US and Brazil. India hit the 3 million mark on Sunday in a record time of only 16 days. It took the United States around 28 days, while Brazil took 23 days to hit this grim milestone. But on the brighter side, India has made a record achievement. 10 lakh samples have been tested in one day, and the number of test labs has now gone up to 1,500, out of which 983 are government and 528 are from private labs.